Now we move on to the next exercise of the chapter logarithm. But before we now move on, we need to learn certain formulas or the laws which are used in logarithm. So the first thing is that when I am having the multiplication of two numbers in log, so it is log of m into n to the base a is nothing but log of m plus log of n. So it is going to be this way, that log of mn to the base a is log of m plus log of n. The reciprocal is also true, not reciprocal, so the reverse is also true, that log of m plus log of n is equal to log of mn. Okay, so if you have got two different logs to be added with the same base, it will be the multiplication of the two over here. The same thing happens in case of division. Log of m upon n will be equal to log of m to the base a minus log of n to the base a. So if the two logs are to be subtracted, that means the numbers are to be divided. So if the numbers are to be divided, then the logs of those numbers are to be subtracted. So this is the thing, that log of m upon n is equal to log of m minus log of n. Next one is log of a to the base log of m to the base a raised to n. Okay, if it is m raised to n, then it is n times log of m to the base a. Okay, so if it is 2 raised to 3, then it will be 3 times log of 2. Okay, that's why it is this way, that log of this over here. Next, we already saw that log of a to the base a is equals to 1. Therefore, log of a to the base a raised to x will be equal to x, because this is 1. So this is also something which we can deduct or deduce from this particular thing. And also that a raised to log of this is equals to x. Now this is something important over here, that a raised to something is equals to x. So we know very well that log of x to the base a will be the same thing. So exactly it's the same thing. Right? Log of a raised to x is equal to what? Log of x to the base a will be equal to log of a raised to x. So that's how it works. Okay, now there are also some base changing kind of a things where we need to change the base. If I want to change the base, so we have the formula for changing the base. So we have here as log of m to the base b is equal to, now if I want to change the base to a instead of b, then I will make it as is equal to log of m to the base a into log of b to the base a. Okay, so I'm going to do it this way when I need to change the base to a's, and then there is log of b to the base a into log of a to the base b. So a to the base b and b to the base a is always equals to 1. This is something important. Log of a to the base a and log of b to the base a is equals to 1. And lastly is log of a to the base b is equals to 1 upon log of b to the base a. Okay, these are some reciprocal formula of this thing. So these are the formula which you need to remember. The first one is log of m into n is log of m plus log of n. Log of m upon n is equal to log of m minus log of n. And log of m upon m raised to n whole raised to base a is equal to nth log of nth log of m to the base a. Similarly, we have the log of a to the base a raised to x is equal to x, and log of or a raised to log of a raised to x raised to a is equal to x. This is the third formula, fourth formula over here, that a raised to log of x raised to a is equal to x. If I want to change the base from b to a, I just need to take the log of this by a and b by a. So that is one thing. Log of a to the base b and log of b to the base a is 1, and log of a to the base b is also equal to 1 upon log of b to the base a. Okay, these are the formulas for change of the bases. Okay, normally very few sums of this kind of things are there. Mainly you are going to use these ones. So 1, 2 and 3, not even 4. 1, 2 and 3 is what you are going to use the maximum number of times. Okay, so that is the formula. You need to note down and learn them by heart. We move on now to the exercise 8.2. Okay, we come to exercise 8.2. So that's exercise 8.2, the first sum, first ka first. Simplify log of a cube minus log of a square. So we know that it's nothing but log of a cube upon a square cancels to a. So it's nothing but log of a. Okay, base is not given, so we'll not consider it at all. So we can consider it to be at base 10. So it's log of 4 upon log of 2. Okay. So we know that this is nothing but log of 2 raised to 2 upon log of 2. Now you know that 2 raised to 2 will be nothing but 2 into log of 2 upon log 2. Now log 2 gets cancelled, so answer is 2. Okay. Sum number 5. We have log of 27 upon log of root 3. Again the same way, we'll take the base as 3. So this is nothing but log of 3 to the base 3, or log of 3 raised to 3, and this is nothing but log of 3 raised to 1 upon 2. So that makes it 3 log 3 upon 1 upon 2 log of 3. Log 3 cancels, this becomes 6. You can cross check the answers for 1, 3, 5. Exercise 8.2. It is log of a, 2 and 1 upon 6. Okay, that's the answer. Right. We move on to sum number 2. Okay, question number 2, we have evaluate first one, log of 10 divided by cube root of 10. It's divided by. Okay. So it is log of 10 upon cube root of 10 is nothing but log of 10 upon, log of 10 minus log of cube root of 10. So that is log of 10 minus, this is log of 10 raised to 1 upon 3. That is log of 10 minus 1 upon 3 log 10. 1 minus 1 upon 3 will be equal to 2 upon 3, or we can just show 1 minus 1 upon 3 bracket log of 10, which is nothing but 3 minus 1 is 2 upon 3 log of 10. Okay, that will be the answer for second ka first. We see the second ka third sum. Now yeah, one thing we left out is we know that the base is 10. So you know log of 10. We know that log of 10 to the base 10 is equals to 1 because the bases then they are same. It is always 1. So here the answer is 2 upon 3. The next sum number 3. 2 log 5 plus log 8 minus half log 4. Okay, 2 log 5 plus log 8 minus log 4. So we keep it as 2 log 5 plus this is log of 2 raised to 3 minus this is log of 4 raised to 1 upon 2. We'll make this as also like this, 5 square. So this becomes log of 25 plus log of 8 minus log of 2 because this is nothing but square root. So accordingly we have over here as log of, now you know that log of m plus log of n is log of mn, multiplication. In minus रहेगा तो division, so it is nothing but 25 into 8 upon 2. So this becomes 4. So it's a log of 100. Okay, log of 100 to the base 10 is the thing. So it is nothing but log of 10 square to the base 10, which is nothing but 2 log 10 to the base 10, which is nothing but 2. Hence, we can say, in fact, we can remember this thing always, that log of 100 is equals to 2. So then we don't need to do the steps. We can directly say log of 100, same answer is equal to 2. Okay. But this time I showed you that why it is equal to 2. We move on to sum number 5. Check it first. Sum number 3. This is question number 2. 2 ka 3. 2, yeah. Sum number 5. Log 2 plus log 5 minus half log 36 minus log 1 upon 30. Okay. So this is nothing but log of 2 square plus log of 5 minus log of 36 raised to 1 upon 2 minus log 1 upon 30. So this is log of 4 plus log of 5 minus log of 6 minus log of 1 upon 30. Addition, subtraction taking it over there. So log of 4 into 5 upon 6 into 1 upon 30. So that makes it 4 is equals to log of 4 into 5 into 30 upon 6. That's 5 is up. So it's equals to log of 5 is 25, it's 100. So it's equals to 2. That was sum number 5. Now we move on to sum number 7. Log 2 plus 16 log, okay, log 2 plus 16 log 16 upon 15 plus 12 log 25 upon 4, 24. Okay, I think I'll need a bigger space for this. So let me completely erase this and take it properly. Yeah. So I got over here seventh one as log of 2 plus 16 log 16 upon 15 plus 12 log 25 upon 24 plus 7 log 81 upon 80. Okay. So this is log of 2 plus this is log of 16 upon 15 the whole raised to 16 plus log of 25 upon 24 the whole raised to 12 plus log of 81 upon 80 the whole raised to 7. What we can do is that convert all of them in terms of 2, 3s and 5s. So it will be log of 2 plus log of 16 is nothing but 2 raised to 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 16. So 4 into 16 upon 15 is 3 raised to 16 into 5 raised to 16 plus log of 5 2 into 12 upon, now this is 2 to the 4 4 into 2 8 8 3s, so 2 raised to 3 into 12 into 3 raised to 1 into 12. Got it? Next is plus log of 3 raised to 3, 3 is 9, 9 3 are 27, 20, oh sorry 4, 3 raised to 4 into 7. Now 80 is nothing but 2 raised to 3, 9, 3 raised to 2 raised to 4, 16 into 5 into 7 into 5 into 1 raised to 7. See these steps. This step is the most important part of this particular question. In this particular step, you can see that what I have done is I have converted all the numbers into multiples of 2s and 3s. 16 is 2 raised to 4, 15 is 3 into 5, 25 is 5 into 2, 5 into 5 and 5 square, 24 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, so 2 raised to 3 into 3 raised to 1. 81 is 9, 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, 3 raised to 4. 80 is 16 into 5, so 2 raised to 4 into 5. Now, let's take this thing. It is log of 2 plus log of 16 4s are 64. Okay. Then it is upon 3 raised to 16, 5 raised to 16 plus log of 5 raised to 24 upon 2 raised to 36 into 3 raised to 12 plus log of 3 raised to 28 upon 2 raised to 28 into 5 raised to 7. All these are in multiplication, addition. So they are in addition, so they will become multiplication. So whole thing will become log of 2 into 2 raised to 64 into 5 raised to 24 into 3 raised to 28 upon 3 raised to 16, 5 raised to 16, 2 raised to 36, 3 raised to 12, 2 raised to 28, 5 raised to 7. Okay? Finding out the common things over here. So we get log of 2 raised to 1 plus 64. So we get rid of this. Now this one over here and this one over here. So minus 36, minus 28. Then 3's. 3 raised to 28. फिर ये है minus 6 and minus 12. Minus 16, minus 12. The next is 5. So into 5 raised to 24 minus 16 minus 7. So that gives me equal to log of 2 raised to, now this is 65 and this combines to 64. 64 cancel and 1, then 2 ही बचा into, this is how much? 28. So 0 बचा तो कुछ भी नहीं, 1 बचा, 3 raised to 0. So I'll write it over here, 3 raised to 0, 3 raised to 1, 3 raised to 0 into, this is again 16 and 7 is 23. So just 1. So it will be 5 raised to 1. Is nothing but log of 10, which is nothing but 1. Understood this sum? This is a very important sum. Just cross check the answers. Let's cross check the answers also. So question number 2 ka 7. 2 ka 7 is 1. Absolutely correct. So that was the sum. You can see you have to be very careful and do it in a proper manner. So that was sum number 7 of second. We move on to sum number 3. Okay, moving to question number 3, sum number 1. So there are 5 questions here. We can go for one by one. Question number 3, first one. 2 log 3 minus 1 upon 2 log 16 plus log 12. So that's nothing but log of 3 square minus log of 16 raised to 1 upon 2 plus log 12. So that's log of 9 minus log of 4 plus log of 12. That's nothing but log of 9 into 12 upon 4. This is 3 za. So accordingly will be log of 27 will be the answer. So log of 27 will be the answer of third come first. Yeah, log 27. We see the second sum, third sum. That's half log 36, half log 36 plus 2 log 8 minus log 1.5. That's log of 36 raised to 1 upon 2 plus log of 8 square minus log of 15 upon 10 to make it simple. Okay, or we can make it more simple, 3 by 2. So that's log of 6 because 36 raised to 1 upon 2 is nothing but 6. It's the square root plus log of 8 square 64 minus log of 3 upon 2. That gives me log of 6 into 64 upon 3 upon 2. So that's log of 6 into 64 into 2 upon 3. That's 2. So log of 264 is 128, 128, 256. So that's the answer to the third sum. That is log of 256. We move on to the sum number 5. Seven log 16 upon 15 plus 5 log 25 upon 24 plus 3 log 81 upon 80. This is very much similar to the earlier sum what we did, that is second ka 7th. You know, we are going to use the same thing over here. So I may need space. So it's log of 16 raised to 7 upon 15 raised to 7 plus log of 25 raised to 7 upon 24 raised to 7 plus log of 81 raised to 3 upon 80 raised to 3 Converting all the numbers in the terms of 2, 3 and 5, we have over here that this is nothing but 2 raised to 4 whole raised to 7 upon 3 into 5 raised to 7 plus log of 5 raised to 2 whole raised to 7 upon 24 is nothing but 8 into 4, sorry 8 into 3, so that's going to be 2 raised to 3 into 3 whole raised to 7 plus log of this is 3 raised to 4 whole raised to 3 upon this is 16 2 raised to 4 into 5 whole raised to 3. That makes it log of 2 raised to 28 upon 3 raised to 7 into 5 raised to 7 plus log of 5 raised to 14 upon 2 raised to 21 into 3 raised to 7 plus log of 3 raised to 12 upon 2 raised to 12 into 5 raised to 3. Taking all the numbers now, log of 2 raised to 28 into 5 raised to 14 into 3 raised to 12 upon 3 raised to 7 into 5 raised to 7 into 2 raised to 21 into 3 raised to 7 into 2 raised to 12 into 5 raised to 3. That makes it log of 2 raised to, it's log of 2 raised to 28 minus 21 minus 12. Okay, 28, 21, 12. 3 raised to 12 minus 7 and 5 raised to 14 minus 7 minus 3. That makes it log of, this is 28, so it will be 5. So 2 raised to 5 minus 5. 2 raised to minus 5, where's 33? This is 3 raised to minus 2. Okay, and this is 5 raised to, this will be 10, so 4. So that's going to be equal to log of, positive will remain upper where 4 raised to 5 and 2 raised to 5 and 3 raised to 2. Okay, that's log of 5 has a 25, 25, 125, 125, 625. So it will be 625 upon, this is 32 into 9. So log of 625 upon 18, 27, 28, 288. So that should be 625 upon 288 should be the answer for third ka, oh sorry, it's 256. Somewhere I made a mistake. Okay, sorry, I got the mistake over here. We see that it was 5, but I wrote 7 everywhere. So this was 5, this was 5, this was 5. So this was 10, this was 15, this was 5. Okay, so that makes it this as 10, niche either 15 and this is 5. So this will be over here 2 raised to not 21, it will be 15, and over here 3 raised to 5, it will not be 7, it will be 5 over here, and here 5 will be that's 10. So this is 10. Good, I thought so, but thought that it would be true. So this is 27. So this is 2 raised to 1. This is nothing but 3 raised to, now this is 0. Into 5 raised to 0. So this is nothing but log of 2 into 1 into 1, that's equals to log of 2. So that's the fifth answer, log of 2 for sum number 3, log 8.2, 3 ka fifth one is log of 2. Yeah, that's it. That's the answer. You need not have anything like this. Yeah. So simple error over here. You need to change this thing properly. Check this out. So answer is log of 2. So yeah, that was sum number 3. I think I will stop here for today. We will continue with logarithms. It's quite a big chapter. So this exercise is quite big, so maybe we'll require one more day to do it. So maybe on Tuesday I will post another video for this one by Tuesday. Monday or Tuesday I'll post the balance part. Okay, so do complete your alternate sums, which are your homework, and let me know if you have got any doubts in solving those sums. Okay,